Hey guys, in today's video, we want to talk about how to activate saving plans on moniepoint POS. So, those of us who have moniepoint POS, you can save money as much as you want. So today, we want to go to that one. Please, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. The more you subscribe, the more you're going to motivate me to upload more videos. If you have Chrome, go to your Chrome straight as you move on. You can activate savings account so that any transaction you dey do, you can be getting small thing from there. Now, once you log in, you enter code and log into your account. This is how your account is going to be like, right? So now click on the down one. This down one. It's to manage business. Click on it. It is going okay. So now click on this. Follow my arrow. Click on that. Then go to save as you earn. Save as you earn. You can see it. Save as you earn. Click on it to show up create saving plan. See, create saving plan. So you click on that. Saving plan. Then click on here. I say select business. Select business. So you come to this arrow. This arrow. Click on it. Your name will appear. Your business name will appear. Just let me show you. Here is my business name. Do you see? Do you guys see it? That's my business name. So what you're going to do, click on that business name, then so yeah, then click on next, next, next. Click on it. Yeah, it'll show you the plans. These are the saving plans. So out of these ones, if you scroll it go up, you see all the plan. This one is for 20 naira deposit, 20 naira. You got each deposit, you get 20 naira. They will save 20 naira for you for each transaction. So now if you click on this one, you get 20 naira for each transaction. Withdrawal, deposit, you get 20 naira. Then if you can click on this one, it's 50-50, you get 50-50 now each transaction. Any transaction you did, they will going to save 15 naira for you. Either withdraw, they will save 15 naira. If you do deposit, they will still save 15 naira for you. Then you scroll and go up, you see 100 naira, right? So if you did any transaction, they will give you 100 naira. So there are a lot of plans. So it's left for you to select which one you like. Select your choice. So now I'm going with okay, let's just say I'm going with 50 naira. So click on proceed. Click on that proceed. Then we go select frequency. The frequency you click on, yeah, select frequency. See, this is where you're going to click on. Click on that. Select frequency. Click on that. Select a frequency. If you need weekly, if you want them to credit you your savings weekly, you click on the daily. You click on daily withdrawal. If you want weekly, click on weekly. If you want monthly, click on monthly. This daily means at the end of the day, they're going to send you your savings to they will send the savings to your account. Then the weekly means at the end of the day, they will not send you the savings until the week, until once the end of the week, maybe on Friday, on Saturday, on Saturday or on Sunday, they're going to send you your savings. They're going to send the savings to your account. They're going to credit it to your account. While the monthly, till the end of the month, they will send it to your account. They will save those money until at the end, before end of the month, before they will credit it to your account. So guys, I'm clicking on monthly. Select monthly, then click on next. Okay. Now you can withdraw your savings at any time you want, even though the month has not ended, you can withdraw it. So please subscribe to this channel as we move on to the next step. Please subscribe. The more you subscribe, the more I will do more video. Please, any question, feel free to comment below. Thank you all. Let's proceed again. So once you click on this this proceed, process your request. See, click on this. Once you click on this, it's done. I'm telling you, it's done. Just click on that. It will do it. See, success. Save plan has been created. See, guys. Please subscribe and don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your loved ones. The more you subscribe, the more I will do more videos. And please, if you have any problem with your POS, you can comment below. I will help you out. Anything you want to know, I will help you out. Thank you all. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for your time and everything. Bye.